Hello everybody, this is my zippo collection. Couple of airplane ones, Windy Girl one, Def Leppard one, Lizard one. That one there is an extra limited edition, comes with a watch, a bit hard to see. Those four there are Windy Girl ones, a few Dragon ones, and a few Real Trees ones up the top there. Moving on to next, there's a bungee cord one, that's an insert. This is an Astro Boy, but that's a fake. That's one of my first lighters, that was a first zippos, that was a white one. These four here are fake ones. These two are a different brand, but these ones say Zippo on them, but they're not real. I can tell the difference. These are a couple of other ones I got. It's got my initials on it. Moving on to my main Windy Girl collection. Got one that's got a leather case on it. That's a four-sided one. Nickel plated. This one here is limited edition, and I've got like the tan dress, black dress, red dress, white dress, and yellow dress, and there's a few more down the bottom here. A couple more limited edition ones. A couple of my first Windy Girls was this one, Zippo Zs, a couple of limited editions of those, and you've seen those already. This is my whole Zippo collection.